Hello everyone, today we're going to be reviewing the Craftsman 20 volt max pull chainsaw. We're going to check out everything that was in the box. We're going to do a little test outside. So first of all, it came with this, which is the chainsaw itself. Very nice, very nice. Came with a little extension if you really want to get further and further, and we'll try that out too. And it came with a nice 20 volt battery. Big time things. So this right here did not come with this, but it's just chainsaw bar oil. Chainsaw bar oil, I put it in here. And that's just to lubricate the chain up, eh? Because you want to take care of your stuff, that's very important. So let's go try this thing out. Alrighty, so in the back of my yard here we have this dead tree. So as you can see, I've already been whacking at it a little bit. But we're going to cut a few of these off and see what's up. So we just toss the battery in and give it a go. As you can see, it cuts pretty well. So I put the extender on her. It's a bit heavier now, but we'll see how she goes. Freaking hey, this thing's honestly awesome. Well, there you have it, you guys. That was my review of the Craftsman's 20 volt lithium ion pull chainsaw, and I have to say it's pretty impressive. I like it a lot so far. And if you're worried about battery life, don't be worried about that, because these things last a while. Thank you. Bye.